Okay, if you want to become a fire alarm enthusiast, which a lot of people do because they like to collect fire alarms as a hobby, here is what you should do. You should know how to wire up a fire alarm control panel properly so it doesn't catch fire. Yeah, a fire protection device catches fire. I heard that, so make sure when you are installing your home fire alarm control panel, make sure that your home smoke detector works just in case something goes wrong. The smoke detector that is in majority of homes. Make sure that thing works just in case something goes wrong when you are wiring up your home fire alarm system. Because fire alarm control panels can catch fire. Yes, fire protection equipment can start a fire. So be careful. Also, when you are installing your home fire alarm system, make sure you do a demo system first. In that little room of your house, and then you install fire alarms and pull stations and smoke detectors in your whole house. Now you have a fire alarm system in your house. Now you are set to go. Now we are going to talk about when you go out of your house and go into public. Here are things you should never ever do in public. You don't open a control panel and start messing with it. And if there is a trouble, don't correct the trouble. Even if you have a key with you, don't even bring your fire alarm keys in public, because you are going to be held liable if you bring your fire alarm keys in public, especially if an alarm gets tampered with, like a pull station. Also, never open pull stations in public. Never take an alarm off the wall, too. Look at it. Don't touch anything outside of your collection. Bye.